Well, it's about that time.
Last week, I was just walking and it was feeling so good. A morning golden hour. Seeing the sun rise. It still feels good, but it was a little warmer. And now we're about to have a snowstorm. You can see, excuse my frozen nose hairs. I've literally experienced seasons change before my eyes. Brings me so much joy. I've been outside all 2023, early 24. We're about to get a snowstorm, and I'm in the South. Things are different here in the South when the rain or when the snow comes or when the cold comes, because this environment is built for, constant warmth or not too much frigid air. But that also leads me to wonder, like, baby, you gotta be prepared for anything, because anything could happen. This is the anything that could and did happen. Yeah, baby, that's ice. We're in a winter wonderland. You silly. I'm coming to rescue you. Not you fell on purpose.
I did it. I see it. Ew, I know that's
That
right.
look fun as hell. What?
They bad.
That's crazy. Look at him. Oh my gosh. That's cool as hell. Look at them. Come pick me up. What? Oh my God! What? They got some good shit too! Damn! What? What the heck?
They outside.
This how you supposed to do it?
We finna go outside and get one.
Ah!
There you go.
I know that's right! What? We outside once again. On our nighttime walk. Trying to see what it's doing outside. As of right now, it's like layers of ice underneath all of the snow.
It's slippery now.
It is. This is wild. So, last week it was just like 14, 11, 10 degrees and snowy and frozen, freezing rain. And now it's 62 degrees and pretty humid. Like, humid. And today it feel like fall, spring. It's crazy. I don't know what to think, but it sure feel good. I couldn't wait to seize this day and walk. I'm not like a forager or anything, but tree boogers. This is actually a fungus that grows on many trees. It is called black witch's butter, but the technical name is... Look at that. I always see it, but I never knew what it was called. Let's see what else I can find.